Here from EMD Automotive, just want to show you this sump plug on this 928. I just put up in the air and I saw a little bit of oil from the side here and I said what's going on there, and I just want to double check it. So I drained the oil again, take the oil out again and have a look. And if you look at that, it looks like it's been someone tried to use a chisel to take the sump plug out before something. It doesn't look right, so I'm going to file it down here. Make sure it's nice and even for the actual. That's why it's not sealing. See here, that part there. That's why. So I'm gonna use a thinner seal to go through there to seal this up. That's why it's leaking from the sump, because that corner there. So I'm gonna find a thin O-ring, not O-ring, but the actual sump plug washer, not a thick one, to get it sorted out. Make sure it doesn't leak. All right. I just file a little bit down, just tiny bit. But if you look at this, look at that. It's a little bit there. Have a look closely. That's where. So I'm just trying to take a little bit off, not too much, to make it so the washer can sit there and seal it, because we'll just keep leaking oil. Not a big leak, but very tiny leak. But it's enough to see. So have a look at that. I put a rag there to try to stop oil from coming out, so I can show you. Alright, as you can see, just finished filing it down. There's no more oil dripping down from the bottom. So if you do have a problem like that, if someone's already using a chisel to take it out or something, or pit it or whatever, just file it down really slowly. Don't rush it, because you only have one go at it. Otherwise you're damaged. You'll file too much and you make it even worse than when you first started with. Sorry. But there's your sump plug, not leaking. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.